Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today, Cameron and I are going to work on this travel trailer back here. Lady says she has lost all of her AC power on her outlets in the camper. So we're going to see what's going on, and we'll take y'all along. Just the first thing I'm going to check, I'm going to see if the lights work. And they do. I know that's not AC, but I'm just checking. Some people get a little bit confused because there's actually two electrical systems in a camper. You got your AC power and you have your DC power. So now I'm going to see if I can figure out which outlets, AC outlets, are not working. Okay, the refrigerator, there's no light in the refrigerator because I'm going to assume that there's no power to the residential refrigerator. There's no display on the microwave, so I'm going to assume there's no power to it. Check this GFI here in the kitchen. No power on it. Let me see if I can find an outlet that is not GFI. The one behind the TV here, it should not be on the GFI circuit. There's no power there, so I'm going to have to assume we have absolutely no power in the coach at all. So I'm going to go in here to converter and start checking for power. Get the cover off this converter here so we start checking power. Trusty multimeter out. Put on the AC scale. Hopefully you'll be able to see that meter. I believe it's good. I believe you'll be able to see it. We'll go from a ground here. This should be the shore cord coming in. Alright, we've got no power on the shore cord coming in. Check from neutral to the shore cord. Alright, we have no power coming in from the shore cord. So, let's go outside and start doing some investigating. Alright, well, here's where the shore cord goes into the camper. I kind of anticipated we might have had a detachable shore cord. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the pedestal. The campground pedestal. Let me go get something here. I just have an old 30 amp plug that I cut off of a shore cord. I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna check my power and stuff here. Wasn't plugged in very well. It does not plug in well at all. No power in the pedestal. That ain't good. We have a 50 amp receptacle down here I'm gonna go get a 50 to 30 amp adapter and see what that does. A lot of times the campgrounds don't want me messing around in their pedestals. I know the guy that runs this campground. He probably won't care, but oh, actually I just cut their breaker off and cut it back on. Now we have power on the pedestal. All I done was cut their 30 amp breaker off, cut it back on. It did not say that it was tripped, but as you can see we have power now. That's from the ground to the load. Let me try from, well, it just went away while we were talking. Huh. Let me try flipping the breaker again. Nope, it went away. Let me try the neutral. All done was took my ground lead off from my multimeter from the ground to the neutral, and still nothing. So I'm gonna try that 50 amp. Okay, let me go get that 50 amp. Follow me. Alright, went and talked to the campground manager, and he said no, he does not want me in his pedestal. So what I done was I plugged her into the 15 amp outlet and just see if I can get the refrigerator and stuff going so her food doesn't spoil. So we're gonna go inside and see if we have a display on the microwave, which I bet we do. Alright, well, we got a display on the microwave. Got refrigerator lights, so believe the 30 amp outlet on the pedestal's bad. I did not have that 50 to 30 amp adapter. All I had was a 30 to 15 adapter, so I was able to plug her shore cord into that 15 amp outlet, which will be fine. Her GFIs are still not working, so I'd say that they're tripped. Probably the main GFI's tripped in the bathroom. Let's go see. Yeah, it was tripped. Did you hear it? Hear it click? There we go. Now we got power on the main GFCI. Let's see if we got it in the kitchen. And we do. I like this little analog meter because it's really tough to use your probes on a multimeter and get them in these outlets. It's just hard to know for sure that you're making contact in there. So that's why I like this little analog meter. It's just quick and dirty, man. All right, well, there you have it. This was kind of a quickie. I wish this lady had called the campground manager first rather than call me, because I'm gonna have to just charge her, and the campground manager can hash out their details between them, because there's actually a problem with the campground, and I know this manager really well, and as a matter of fact, he lived in a camper here in this campground for several years. I worked on his stuff, and so I just went and asked him. I said, appears to be a problem in the pedestal. Are you okay with me going in there to see what's going on? He said, no. I said, okay. That's your call, man. It's your campground. So so there you have it. Hey, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like me, go give Cameron a thumbs up. Good gracious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your friends. If you have friends. Do you have friends? If you have friends, share. Okay, because that's what friends do. Alright, we're gonna go fix another one. This is 2 today, and we're gonna go fix another one. So
Y'all have a great day.